Sharon Gilburd dwi, a dwi'n Cadeirydd CDPS. I'm Sharon Gilburd and I'm the Chair of the Centre for Digital Public Services. This is our third annual review and I'm excited to share with you just a few highlights from the past year, as well as our ambitions for the coming year. The theme for the past year from the board has been maturity, with a focus on building digital skills in Wales and creating a framework for prioritising the work we do, both for impact and value for money. The budgetary pressures facing the public sector are clear, and it's therefore really vital that we work together to embed digital as an integral means of delivering the strategic priorities of the sector, with the shared aim of creating better public services for the people of Wales. To this end, this year we've been collaborating widely with organisations such as Digital Health and Care Wales, Welsh Government policy teams, the Welsh Local Government Association and the Commissioners in Wales, amongst others. I strongly believe that if we are going to improve public services at scale, then working in deep partnership is the only way to achieve it. There's some really brilliant work going on and we need to find better, systematic ways of sharing this best practice. We don't need to start at the beginning every time. There are already those in the sector that are some way down the track, and I see CDPS as playing a key convening role in enabling that sharing of best practice. I found it immensely rewarding to develop relationships with key stakeholders like Eva Griffith-Jones, the Welsh Language Commissioner, and Derek Walker, the Future Generations Commissioner. And this year, CDPS will also come under the remit of the Future Generations Act. We recently ran a future-proofing public services event with Derek, and CDPS has a valuable role to play in supporting our commissioners in meeting their strategic objectives. We have a team that actively reflect on what's worked and what hasn't, and they're willing to talk about it openly. The lessons learned section of the annual review is testament to this, so I encourage you to read that. There's a lot to be learned there. We agreed our business plan with our former Minister Vaughan Gethin, and we now have a really robust framework to prioritise the initiatives we work on, targeting our resources for maximum impact in the sector. I'm proud that we've now got a solid and stable foundation to build upon, and I'm really looking forward, as we move into the new financial year, to working closely with our new Minister, Cabinet Secretary, Jeremy Miles. This year will continue to be about collaboration and impact, working on the right initiatives in partnership with shared objectives, sharing best practices, embedding digital to improve our public services for the citizens across the whole of Wales. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy our annual review. Diolch yn fawr i chi gyd, a mwynhewch yr annual review blwyddyn yma. Diolch yn fawr.